Hey drummers, how's it going? It's Alex once again, bringing some more fun-free drumming ideas. For this week, I've got a nice little sextuplet feel, sort of between the kick, the snare and the floor tom. So if you've got that sort of stripped back kit, this is quite a nice little idea for that. It's 16th note triplets. We're going to sort of split everything up into little groups of 4, 5 and one little group of 6 at the end. It sounds quite cool. It's got a slight sort of, I like a Benny Greb kind of vibe to it. I sort of see him do these cool little tom fills on the floor tom every now and again with a little bit of snare in there. So I've kind of sort of nicked the idea from that. And I think it sounds really cool. It's a fairly simple sticking pattern to get through. It's 1 measure long. It sounds great. And if you like what you saw in the intro and you want to give it a crack, stick around and I'll break it down. Here we go. All right, so I think this lesson's going to be fairly short but sweet. All we're going to do is we'll go through with the sticking and the voicing at the same time. We'll look at the first pattern, which is a group of 4, which we're going to play right, left, right, kick. And then we're going to play the same thing with an extra kick. So right, left, right, kick, kick. That sounds a bit weird, but when you get it flowing, it's right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, kick, right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, kick. And we're going to play the first little phrase of 4 on the snare, then we're going to go to the floor tom, and then we're going to reverse it. We're then going to play the 2 phrases again, but we'll start off with the 4-note pattern on the floor, then bring it over to the snare. That will give us 18 out of our 24 notes, and then what we'll do is we'll just got this nice little group of 6, which goes from snare drum to floor tom, with a couple of kicks in there, pop the crash, and you're done. So, first part, here we go. We've got right, left, right, kick, and then we go straight to the floor. So there's no gaps at this point. Every single note's the same distance apart. Right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, kick. All you've got to remember, you might find yourself tempted to hit that extra left hand, playing your hands in groups in 4. So just try and make sure that you feel that right hand go before you then play a kick or 2 kicks. Right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, kick. And then we come back from the floor tom to the snare. So we get right, left, right, kick, right, left, right, kick, kick. I would just take those 2 phrases and just practice going back and forth between the snare and the floor. And that sounds great. Once you've got that down, you can sort of speed it up a tiny bit, but we'll do that at the end. Once we've got that, we've got our 18 out of 24 notes, leaving 6 to go. And all we're going to do is we're going to play this pattern which goes right, left, right. So that's your first 3, then kick, right, left, finish. All right, so we get this. It might be worth just sort of looping that little phrase around a few times. All right, so let's put everything together. Let's see if we can make this flow nicely. We'll go nice and slow. Dynamically, just pretty much hitting everything loud and proud. If you go into it, of course, you can do that nice little pickup note on the bass drum, so you get that. So when I'm talking about that pickup note, that would come in like on the of beat 4 of your groove. So boom, snare, boom, boom, snare, and that would lead into it. All right, when we start spinning this bad boy up, it sounds good. It's a little banger. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop up there. I'll play it through slow, medium, fast, and then I'll come and say goodbye. So here we go. Right, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. More. Let's go for a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3. Tiny bit faster. 1, 2, 3. All right, drummers, so there it is. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Thank you very much for watching. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, share the video with any like-minded drummers that want to sort of work on some of their fill ideas. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe, and then of course you can click that little bell icon and that will notify you every time a new lesson comes out. You can also visit my website, alexribchesterdrums.com, where there you will find additional content. It's behind a paywall of £5 per month or £50 per year, but I've got sort of like lesson courses on there designed to help you go from sort of zero to hero, sort of beginner to intermediate, then up to advanced. And we've also got some breakdowns of some of the graded material, so going through like some of the songs from grade 1, grade 2, we're sort of midway through grade 3, and then of course grade 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, so they get progressively harder. And then some cool fun little ideas like we've been looking at today. So with all that said, take care, keep drumming, and I'll see you very soon for some more fun-free drumming ideas. All right, see you later, bye.